Let's add another Google account. Open your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on Google. Here you will find all of your added Google accounts. To add another account, tap on this arrow icon next to your account. Tap on add another account. Here, go ahead and write your another Google account email or phone number. Tap on next. And enter here your Google account password. And now it may ask you to verify your device. Just go ahead and verify. I agree. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully added 2 different Google accounts.